I don't know why this makes me feel really cunty. Like, hi buds, it's Candy here, and I am going to review the Jeffree Star Volume 2 Nudes collection bundle situation going on. I do have one of the colors on my lips, and I will tell you at the end because I do put it on. But here we go. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what's inside. You know what? No, I ain't gonna show you. I'll show you in the next clip how you like them apples. So yes, this is it. Hope y'all enjoy this. Enjoy this video. Yeah, it's been great. It's been lit, like I always say. Okay. Anyway, I'm just so excited. So I'm here to review it. I waxed my stash for the occasion. Thought I'd say. Let's get to it. I'm not excited about rubbing my lips to their fucking dry. It does retail for, I believe, $52. Yes. Yeah, look at those bad boys. Beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. So that is I'm nude. What are we thinking? Does it look like I ate a powdered donut? I'm actually not mad at this at all. I thought it was gonna be a lot more lighter. Can you see out my nostrils? I hope not, but this is it. Now that my lips are red, they're not, it wasn't that bad to get off, honestly. Birthday Suit is the next color, which looks like this. Birthday Suit, let's get it. It's really nude, but it has this like pink kind of, I don't know, it's a very pink. It's a very pink nude. I dig it. I'm just gonna say, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna dig each and every color. Alright, so the next color, Top Shelf. Now this color I am going to be using with my Melt Cosmetics review of the Smoke Sessions palette because, well, Top Shelf. Who doesn't like smoking Top Shelf? So this is what it looks like. Let's get to it. Top Shelf. We don't smoke no mids. Okay, this one, I overlined the hell out of my lips so it looks like shit, but yes, I'm here for it, bitch. Like, I'm here for it. Top Shelf lip. It is very brown, but honestly, I have been loving brown lipsticks and brown anything, so I really enjoy it. It is just Christmas cookie. So Christmas cookies up next. Christmas cookie to me is kind of like a, it's kind of like a my lip but better. So that's Christmas cookie. You better not be giving no Christmas cookies to no strangers. I don't know what that was about, but yeah. Next one. The next color is the color Nathan, which looks like this. Not to be all weird, but I'm very excited to have Nathan on my lips. I need to say that. I've been wanting to say that joke forever, and I was just like, now it's kind of corny when I say it out loud. Okay, this one, probably my least favorite so far, just because, I'm sorry Nathan, I mean, it's not bad, it's just a little bit too orange for my taste. It has too much of a peach undertone, and I'm not, for some reason, I don't like that on my lips. The next color is Dominatrix. Kind of like the first color of Top Shelf, so it has kind of a similarity to it. Shitty ass swatches, but this I love. Horrible but lit. Like, I love this color. It's been great. It's been real. Family Jewels looks like this. Ooh. Okay guys, I overdrew again. And I don't usually do this. This is only because, well, I suck at lip swatches. I'm just gonna be honest. If you haven't noticed, hi, I'm Candy and I suck. This right now, I really like it. If I didn't overlay my lips, I think it would be great. I think it would be great. I think it was my bad. I think it's my bad. I'm sorry. All right, are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. I know you guys are. You ready? Because I'm ready. All right, tasty. So here's this guy. I look like, it looks like doo-doo on my lips, but it's not bad. Birthday suit, top shelf, and Christmas cookies are the 3 ones that I actually really like. I think I'm gonna put birthday suit on just because it's a nice nude. I honestly love nudes. I really enjoy it, and I love getting it in bundled kits like this because you get a variety of them for a little bit of price. All right, so that is all for the Jeffree Star bundle box. Again, birthday suit is on my whole collection. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that will be it. That is all she wrote. That is all she swiped. And I hope you guys like the fact that I did wax this stash. Like, it takes, I'm just saying, just thank you. Just thank you for being around and sticking around even though I'm hairy. So that hairy life, yes. All right guys, that's enough.
Dripping so fast, like a gold in my eyes. Dripping so fast, like a gold in